Ooh, oh, something's down there. Dang. Oh, there he is. Ano yun? Ano yun? He wants it. I'll give it to him. Come on. Oh, did I get him? Did I get him? I got him. Nice catch.
Where would you like to go?
Key West.
Any place in particular in Key West, Florida?
No, just go to Key West.
Key West. Do you want to start guidance?
Yes.
Navigation started to Key West.
That is the Hard Rock Cafe Casino. Corvette, Ferrari, and Mercedes over there. Welcome to Miami. Gaganda ng mga sakyan dito. Alright, this is our setup. We got our tent. I still got to unload. We just got here, just got done eating lunch right now, enjoying this Red Bull peach and nectarine flavor. I got some ice, and guess what we brought? We got some deer meat, yo. Nagdala ko ng deer meat. Bought some deer meat. Got some fresh picked orange lemon and calamansi from the yard. What we're gonna do is throw that in ice. Throw the bacon in there. Okay. All right, let's test out this new used kayak. How are we gonna get this going real quick? We'll paddle over here. All right. Time to go kite. Huh? It's coming. Yeah. I can't let you guys have all the fun. Okay. Some dinner tonight. All right. We're cooking up some deer meat. Yan, pampabango yan. Fresh from the garden. Oh yeah, tayo lang mag-isa ngayon kasi nagwo-work si mama. Saka yung mga bata may mga pasok sila. But I'll be here for a couple of days, just camping and testing out this kayak, this sailing kayak here in the Florida Keys. And also it's been windy, so I brought my kite gear. I went kite surfing today also. But check it out, yung tent natin, mag-isa lang, solo, wala tayong kasama. And yeah, that's it. It's about almost 6 o'clock, so it's getting dark. And nandun yung tubig. We're gonna do some fishing tomorrow and sailing. Hopefully we can hit those islands. We didn't have that much time today, so we got here kind of late. Plus we needed to secure a tent site. So now that we are settled, we're cooking it up, enjoying this deer meat, this buck that I shot in Missouri, and now we're eating it here in Florida Keys. Check out this adventure. I'm gonna make some videos, but I don't know, I suck at making videos, but here's what I got going. No, it's not. What time is it? 6:30. Oh, too early. Let's go use the bathroom. Make some coffee. This morning we're gonna make some bacon and biscuit. We don't have no eggs, but we got this $1 Cubano bread. Okay, here we go. Some Cuban bread. Say hello to my little friend. Look at that. Look at that size. Sana all ganyan kahaba yung bread mo. Diba? Alright. Piraso lang. Save natin yung parang mamaya. Gamitin natin ng maduming dive knife. May kalawang. Iron, vitamins, full of rust and iron. This piece right here, that piece there, that. Oh my God, this. What should I call this sandwich? The heart stopper. Where are you, bro? Where's mine? Gotta find my sauce. Gotta find my sauce. Sauce Mario said. Got some Taco Bell sauce. Yan. Call this the heart stopper sandwich from the Cuba. Okay, round 2. We're gonna go try and sail to those islands. We got a little bit more time today than yesterday. We're jamming out some tunes. Little cold, little cold. Make sure the plug is in. Plug is in. Alright, we're gonna try and sail over there, if not over there. The wind is coming this way, so we're gonna have to sail upwind, tack upwind. All right, let's go. Okay, we're sailing. All right, gonna head to those islands, tack up, control this redhead here. Hopefully we catch a catch something. Now we're going. Sarap mag-sailing. Dito tayo ngayon sa Key West, Florida. Yan ang gamit natin, si Hobie Kayak Adventure Island. Dito tayo galing sa isang island doon sa doon pa. Pupunta tayo dito sa next island. Island hopping. Sana hindi tayo gabihin kasi ay anong oras na? Mga alas 12 na yata. Wala naman tayo magna. Ay, putya, nakalimutan ko yung flashlight. Patay tayo dyan. Anyways, we're gonna sail fast and hopefully, woohoo! Hopefully we get there quick so we can make it back home quick. Sail away, sail away. Gamit natin, dala natin si Pana just in case may multo sa dagat.
Marine information broadcast concerning debris fallen. Vicinity of Bennington Bridge. Shoot to listen to channel 22 Alpha or 1022 frequency 157.1 megahertz. Out.
Roger, Roger, Cadabter. Hello, Bunny Rabbit. Let's go. Okay. Try natin tong micro jig. Hopefully, mahuli naman tayo kahit Malit na isda. May pang ulam. Mamaya ilutuin natin. Too much karne. Kailangan seafood. I'm just doing a little uni knot. Never fails, man. Never fails. Uni. Yan. Tiny micro jig. Dito tayo sa shallows in the Florida Keys. Natin makahuli tayo. Yan. Gamitin natin ng kulay pink. First cast, baby. Drifting lang tayo, drifting. Huli. Sabit. Kala ko huli na eh. Sabit lang pala. Sana makahuli tayo ng talaking tok. Kumagat. Hindi naman. Let's go, yellow jack. Target natin yellow jack. Sarap yung okay na yan. Kabaw ba yan? Let's go, yellow pit. Let's go, micro jig. Kahit sap-sap lang mahuli natin, okay na tayo. Basta makahuli. Mabinyagan to si Hobie kayak. Ay, laki pating oh. Ayun oh. Oh, laki. Hulihin natin. Ay, buddy. Or corals lang. Saan nga natin? Nahuli ka ba? Siya. Sabit, hayop ka. Seaweed. First fish? Come on, baby. Let it be a fish. Parang seaweed. God. Maybe it's a fish. Oh. Oh my God, I caught a fish. Putangin ng butete. Shit. Butete pa nahuli. Look at that. Hayop ka. My first fish, butete. Damn. Oh, pugu. Pugu. Ito pa nahuli natin. Look how beautiful that fish is. Alright, later dude. Wow. Nice. Gata na yata.
Kiteboarding, Bigger Cube is exiting Key West Light. Any concern conflicting traffic, contact Cube Channel 16.
Man, our first fish. Look at that. freaking floating hut, man. Ooh. Come on, big tuna. Ang lamig at lamig. Alright, we're gonna go sail to that bluer water and we're gonna go try and fish there. So we need to hurry up because we are running out of time. So we got almost a full sail up. Just trying to hurry up. Gotta go fast. Alright, let's get there. Get some wave action. Woo! Woo! Oh, swamp, boy! Damn, I missed that. I missed the big I missed the big hit right there. Did it hit the bottom? Shoot, Hobie. Come on, buddy. What the heck did he say? Come on, baby. What's that? Ooh! Oh! Something's down there. Dang. Whoa! There he is! Ano yun? Ano yun? He wants it. I'll give it to him. Come on. Oh, did I get him? Did I get him? I got him! Ah! What the hell are you, dude? Oh man, it's a freaking lizard fish. Ah! Ayan ang huli natin. Meron na tayong ulam. Kaya lang.
Security call, Key West flight. This is a Reef Express. We're going to be outbound. We're going to head outbound. Key West flight.
Okay, lipat muna tayo. Di naman tayo tatamaan yan. That is one beautiful fish. Whoop. Look at that, look at that. Oh, boy. Okay. Save. Sorry, buddy. Let me get this hook off of you so we can let you go. But yeah, man, we're catching some ugly ass fish today. Alright, see you later, dude.
Squid dropping lines exiting the QS flight.
So, this is how you know when you're full power. You see that? That's your trout tail. Tawag dyan. Kapag nandun sa gitna niyan, you're fully powered. Meron pa tayong konting sails, but I don't want to flip over. I'm still scared since it's my first time doing this on a kayak. I've sailed before, but that's what I learned. Ang lamig, pucha! Wow! Hindi pa tayo nakakarating sa island, but gagabihin na yata tayo, so we're gonna see how close we can get to there. Man, look at that beautiful bird. It's like a Florida crane or something. But man, napakalamig. Basa na tayo, sana nagdala tayo ng jacket, pucha. But alright, we're gonna keep it powered. We are going. Woo! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Wow! Wow! Woo! Ang lamig! Napakalamig. Yan. Oh, giniginaw na tayo. Ayun yung sinasabi ko na ano. Look at that bird. Nakaangat na tayo. Sail away! Sail away! Oh my God, it's cold. I'm singing because napaka-ginaw. But this is fun. Woo, this is so fun. Sailing. Yeah. Okay. So we're getting like gusts of 5 miles an hour plus on top of what we got now. Like right now, I feel that you can really feel it on your kayak. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Ang sarap ng ginaw ng hangin. Watch out for these buoys here. Up, 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 up. That's a big crab trap, lobster trap or something. Dami oh. Tayo sasabi dyan, tayo sasabi. Okay, let's get back.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.